Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to the result of the first competition to win this. You watched the video, you commented on the video, and now I'm going to pick a winner. We've already done the random number generator. There were only 29 people that are public subscribers that added a comment. There were lots more comments, but I've had filtered the comments out, so only the public subscriber ones are shown. And we have already used the random number generator. Let me show you what number we've picked and which comment is the one who's going to win the prize. So here we go, we had 29 and I've hit the generate and we've got number 11. So the 11th comment is going to be the winner of this little gadget. Let's go back to my channel and we can see who is comment number 11. Right, so we are in YouTube Studio and it's for the video, and we're looking at the comments, and we are only filtered to public subscribers. So the only ones that appear are public subscribers. So we've now got countdown 11. So this is in date order. So we've now got to count down. This is the newest first. So we're going to count down 11, and that will be the winner. So we've got 1, 2. Oops, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Brian Falconer 217, you are the winner. His comment was, well done mate. So Brian, if you would like to email me, paul@love500.co.uk, email me your details and I will get this gadget sent off to you in the post next week. So that's the first one. That is the first giveaway. Brian, drop me the email, I'll get this off to you next week in the post. There will be more giveaways to come. I'm not sure which one's going to be next. We'll go through that on a Waffle Wednesday again, I imagine. Yeah, not sure which one it's going to. I'm just looking at something up there which may be one of the next things I'm going to give away. But that is it for now. Only a quick short one just to announce the winner. So don't forget, make sure you are a public subscriber to be in with a chance of winning on the next one. Have to be a public subscriber. Go into your settings on YouTube and make sure you are set to public. So what public subscriber means is that anyone can click on your profile and see which channels you subscribe to. That's all it is. It doesn't give any information about who you are and so on, just to show everybody who you subscribe to. So that's it. As always, don't forget, thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.